guys, we got this thing loaded up. It is time to slide, man. I gotta go upstairs, take a shower, get cleaned up, and we gonna be on the road before you know it, man. So if y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this day started now, shall we? Man, it is raining out here, but it is bright and sunny in LA, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys seen the giveaway yesterday, man. You guys seen the red bike is sold out. It is going to wherever it's going. This is the day before, so I don't know where it's going yet, but we are going live today in my time to see where it's going. But if you guys already seen it, you guys already know. In the meantime, man, you guys seen the end of that giveaway, man. So it's time for this 2020 Road Glide to go to one of you guys. Yes, my baby, my pride and soul, man. I love this brown thing right here. 2020 with a 114 Road Glide special. I told myself I was going to keep this one for a little bit longer. However, you know, things come and go. Things come up. That's what happened, man. Something came up. So with that being said, man, we are giving away our 2020 Road Glide special right here, this brown thing, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You can click that link below and that'll take you right where you need to go. In the meantime, let's check out some of this slow-mo and just check out the bike so you guys can see what you're getting. Yes, sir. I know you like the slow-mo, man. I just got back from LA riding this thing a couple days ago, actually. Didn't post any footage from that. Was just really enjoying it. Definitely rides great. So I can't wait to see where this one is going. Hopefully, it's looking like all of these bikes is going to be heading out at the same time, honestly. Because we're going to see where the red one goes today. Hopefully, if it's anywhere other than the West Coast, it'll be shipped out with these other two bikes. So depending on how fast we can get this one going, or sold out rather, we can see where this is going. But if you guys haven't entered, you know what to do, man. we got that out the way. You guys seen the ride video. I mean, we went to LA for a little bit. Didn't really do too much filming, but we did enjoy ourselves a little bit, man. So the wallets are only $100, man. I know you guys are used to spending $150 with me, and I appreciate you guys. So we decided to lower it down to $100 to be more cost friendly to you guys, save you guys a little bit of money, man. So now you guys can get this Road Glide special for $100. So you guys know what to do. So yeah, man, we done rode that thing a few times, man. Y'all done seen the riding videos, y'all done seen the slow-mo, man. Y'all done seen me put it together, man. I love this bike. It's a real nice color, man. So if you guys love it too, man, $100 can get you this Road Glide special here. This 2020 Road Glide. $100 can get you this 2020 Road Glide special right back here, man. So if you haven't already, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You guys already know at 150, these things, at 150, this silver one sold out within like a day or so. So now that the tickets are $100, you guys already know that it should sell out faster than that. So if you guys are interested, man, you guys know what to do.